Welcome to Ghana Talks Business and to our retirement planning tips. Today we are looking at the tax benefits on your pension contributions. Now, let's look at this scenario where somebody earns a gross or basic pensionable salary of 2,500 Ghana cedis. And according to the Act, the employee is supposed to pay a total of 5.5% into pension fund, out of which 5% actually goes into the second tier. And then a maximum of 16.5% of the basic salary also goes into a voluntary third tier. Now, let's look at these scenarios where we have one staff called Kofi, that's him, who pays 5.5% into the second tier and has decided to voluntarily pay 10% into a third tier. These are the figures that pan out. Second tier, that's it. And then the third tier is 250 Ghana cedis. The total pension contribution now comes to 387 cedis, 50 pesos. And here, just watch here closely. Kofi pays tax not on 2,500, but on 2,112 because pension contributions are tax exempt. And so what happens is that the total pension contributions are actually deducted from the basic salary before taxes are applied. And so this is what Kofi pays as tax, 307 cedis and then 6 pesos. Again, let's look at this scenario. Now, Ajua now decides to pay 5.5, well, that is mandatory, into the second tier, and nothing at all into the third tier, which is 0. And so this is what also pans out for Ajua. And then look here, there's nothing going into the third tier. So Ajua's total pension contribution is 137 cedis, 50 pesos. Because of that, you realize that Ajua is paying more taxes. And so you realize that Ajua is paying 350 Ghana cedis, 31 pesos, because she paid a much less pension contribution and so couldn't benefit a lot from the tax exemption. The difference between the taxes that Kofi and Ajua paid is 43 cedis, 25 pesos. I mean, this is something that you probably just buy some, a couple of meals and that's gone. But then I decided to just lump this or, put this 43 cedis into some investments for 15 years with a monthly contribution into it. And over a 15-year period, got 34,691 cedis. And this is what actually goes to add into the pension pot, which could be used either to buy annuities or because it's a voluntary third tier, could also be received as lump sum. Now, these were my assumptions that, we put in the same amount every year, but you and I know that if you are in any employment, your salary sort of, increases over time. And you also sort of maybe get promotions and stuff like that. And so this amount is actually going to increase. I also decided to use 18% per annum. Let me say the pension funds for some time now in Ghana have been returning something between 22 and 24%, but that's just assumption. And I also haven't taken into consideration scheme charges. So, I mean, this is just to give you an idea of the benefit you get from tax benefits or tax waivers if you decide to put more into your pension fund. This is also a very good opportunity for you to shore up your pension pot and be able to improve your retirement income. Thanks very much for watching this video on GhanaTalksBusiness.com. Always call us on this number if you need further advice. We'll come your way again.